Even before the pandemic, you would have struggled to find anyone who did not know what a dolphin was. But thanks to the BBC's Blue Planet series and 2 years worth of opportunity to watch that on repeat, I think you'll now also struggle to find anyone who doesn't understand the importance of protecting these charismatic animals and their environment. Now, in order to effectively protect marine mammal populations, we need information on population status and health. Now, rather unfortunately, marine mammals spend a very little time at the water surface where we can actually see them, making it quite hard to infer anything about their health, even if we do happen to stumble across them while we're out at sea. So a better way of acquiring such information is to look at individuals that strand on the coastline. We can quite literally turn a dead stranded animal inside out and assess parameters from their age to their nutritional status, and from their disease burden and reproductive fitness. And by doing so, we can learn a lot about the health and pressures that are posed on an individual animal. That useful information, some might say. Now, the UK has had a stranding scheme in place since 1990, so we have 30 plus years worth of valuable information on stranded individuals. What we do not have, however, is a very good grasp of how much of the mortality that happens out at sea we actually get to observe on the beach, or how representative those individuals that we examine would be of the animals currently forming part of the living population. And this is exactly what my research is going to address. Now, this is by no means a straightforward task, because one single stranding event is a complex function of a biological, a physical, and a social process. And to explain that a little bit better, I'd like to refer to the left-hand side of the slide here. So the smallest blue circle shows the examined animal, which is representative of the biological component. Now, in order for that animal to become a data point in our database, it will have had to have come ashore, which is influenced by physical factors such as carcass drift, but also by social factors such as public awareness. That means that an animal is actually found and reported in. Now, this may look really simple here, but each of these components are very complex in themselves and they're interlinked, and each come with a certain level of uncertainty. Yet, with an increase in human activities comes an increased demand for information about marine mammal population health. The information we can obtain from looking at these dead individuals is invaluable and impossible to obtain via any other way. So what we really need, and what I'll be aiming to develop, is a better analytical approach to disentangle this complexity of the stranding process, so that we can extrapolate that what we know about the dead to what we need to know about the living. Thank you.